Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can allow people to access your Google Forms and edit it, for instance like your colleagues, your friends, co-workers, etc. So I'm just going to start a new form. You can also do it to the forms you've already created, but I'm just going to create a blank form. Then I'm going to edit it first if you want, or just leave it blank and have other people edit it. Go to more and add collaborators. Type in the email of the people you want to add. There's an editor button here, as you can see. You can also add more by clicking here and adding more emails. Then you're just going to message them help me edit this form. You can also copy the editor link and give it out. Then you're just going to select send, and it's going to send an email, and I think it will send an email, and it's going to let them have access to this form. So that is basically it. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!